Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch this bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, bro, I'm finna be doing some shit, man. You know what I'm saying? That I don't even know if this shit finna work. I'm probably finna fuck some shit up in this video. I'm not finna lie, bro. But y'all see what's in the back, though. I'm gonna put it in a little clip right now. Right here, I'm gonna edit that bitch in. Man, I've been having this tire that keep going flat, bro. So I went ahead and got my little spare. Let me get that back there. Let me so y'all think this a crack? Where it go? Where it goes? So I can show you right here. Y'all think that's a crack? It gotta be. I don't even know how that happened. Fuck. These are my favorite rims. How the fuck did I crack these hoes? Basically, bro, I don't know what the fuck happened, bro. But some type of way, bro, my motherfucking rim didn't explode. Bro, didn't crack like a motherfucker. Don't know how. Don't know where it came from. But a nigga gotta fix it some type of way, bro. So what I'm planning on doing today is I'm gonna go ahead, take the rim, I'm gonna air it up, and I'm gonna show y'all again where the crack at. And we gonna see if the actual crack is where it's leaking from. Cause the tire been going low every day, bro, and it's getting worse and worse and worse. And I'm just like, damn, what the fuck? So we gonna take that right there. I don't even know if this rim is metal. That's the crazy part. It's probably like some type of aluminum or alloy or something like that. But I'm finna try to put my welder on it, and I'm gonna try to weld the backside of it at least a little bit. Hopefully, what I hope happen is, hopefully it melt the tire just a tad bit, just to fill up the gap a little bit. And then the next time I need a tire, I'm just gonna tell them to take the tire off, and then I'm probably gonna go on the inside with like some, probably not even no JB weld. I'm gonna try to find the best like pressure hold type of material, and I'm gonna try to fill the crack in and try to, like, you know what I'm saying, get that part to where it's like, it's probably still gonna crack, but at least it'll hold for a little longer so I can at least get another rim or something, or figure something else out. But hopefully that's what this welder do. So we finna take y'all to the tire little thing so we can put some air in the tire. And I'm gonna turn the camera back on. We finna get back lit, no cap. Bro, you know they always say it's a sign from God to not to do something, right? No cap. So I'm just finna go ahead and record this shit for future video purposes. So I hope everything go good, bro. But I don't know what the fuck finna happen, bro. Cause this the fourth motherfucking air pump I done been to, bro. And it don't work. Is that a sign from God? Y'all let me know in the comments, bro. Cause at this point, bro, this video finna wait until another day, bro. I got one more gas station to try, bro, before I move on, and this video could go a whole this way. No cap. So y'all stay tuned, bro. I don't know what's gonna pop out, cause why the fuck is it so hard to find someone with an air tire up, bro? The first one, same as this one, won't motherfucking pay it. The second one, only quarters, don't need quarters, don't got quarters. The third one, motherfucking, bro, you know the part that you put the air in to put the in the tire, bro? Fam, whole motherfucking piece gone, discombobulated. Then this one, no cap, can't swipe it. But I'm finna try, hold on, I'm finna try something real quick because I see it's another one right here and it got everything connected to it. So I'm finna see if that works. Cause if that works, then we good. No cap. So let's see. Yo, bro, this shit ain't just meant for me, bro. What the fuck? I'm finna show you. I'm just finna show y'all what this motherfucker doing, bro. Cause this shit's so motherfucking irritating. No cap. So you see this shit, bro. Alright, so you see the light blink, bro. I put my motherfucking card in there. Oh god. This not even doing nothing, folks. This shit lame as a bitch. But like I said, I got one more gas station, bro, before I change this whole video and I get pissed. No cap. this the shit this is why I started YouTube, bro, cause this is the type of shit that be going on in my life when I be working on cars, bro. Little shit like that always happening. So we finna try the 6 air pump now. Hopefully this one work. If not, fuck. Hold on. Let's get it. I know what's going on. Y'all do that boy quit playing on me. We gonna get this content, gang. I'm gonna get y'all some content. Okay. Y'all see. We gonna air this up and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we finish. No. Alright, y'all. So we put it at 50 psi, so it's enough pressure in there. We finna go back to the shop and check it out. What's crazy is the tire not even on the car, bro, but it's in the car and the light still went off. No cap. The tire right there and that motherfucker still went off. So shit, I wouldn't never thought that shit would have happened. But, no cap, we finna head back to the shop and then we finna see if this where the leak coming from. No cap. Yeah. Y'all check out the fit though. Hold on. I told y'all shit. Watch when we get that money, when that money start coming in, niggas gonna be, hey, I'm gonna be a nigga that's taking niggas bitches dirty as fuck in a clean ass outfit. Hands dirty, look like I just came out of motherfucking sawmill. But I'm still gonna take yo in that, you feel me? No cow. Damn, I can't even get this to sit up. We finna pull this up out of here. Yeah. Let me turn the camera around so I can show y'all. So there go the crack that I found. Let me grab these. We just gonna see if that's where it's coming from. You fucking know it. Who ain't no way. So since I finally found where the leak coming from, I really think that people did that shit. But I can tell it look kind of flat, so it probably, this bitch exploded or something. So, yeah. That's what we can go and try to do. I'm just trying to, like I said, I don't even know if this made out of metal or not. So let me, I done pour some cleaner on there. So we can go ahead and, you know. Oh. Clean this up a little bit. Show where this shit coming from. It looked like it was cracked before, if I ain't mistaken. Don't that look like it was some type of seal on there? Cause that don't look like dirt. See, it don't even want to come on. Ah, man, that ain't got my head. Hold on, let me see if it clear up. Damn, they didn't got my head. That shit ain't coming up. So yeah, I'm finna try to throw a quick weld on this or something real quick. And then I'm gonna let y'all see that. Hopefully this turned out good, cause I don't even know. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, no cap. I do a little decent job when it comes to the little welding shit. I don't know how this supposed to go, but let me see. It ain't that bad though. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing I can't fix. I'm trying to think, do I even wanna try grinding this down first, or do I just wanna go, yeah, that straight attack this shit? I'm gonna go ahead and weld around this real quick, and I'm gonna grind that down, then we're gonna be back with turn. Watch. Bet y'all see it. Let's see if we still got a leak somewhere. It look like it. It don't look like it's coming from the bottom anymore. So I'm gonna put a decent little weld at the top. That one right there, and then that's it. Alright, y'all, so we back at the crib, no cap, so we finna go ahead and take this weld out. And we gonna grind this little piece down. No cap. This look like it's holding air a little bit better. Oh. We just gonna leave this motherfucker right here. We ain't even gotta go too far. Let me get my grinder so I can go ahead and get the grinding my extension cord. No busy. Alright, bet. So got this. Let's turn up. Hey, plug no socket. I'm plug no socket. Y'all tap in for real. Alright, bet. I'm finna go ahead and set this up for y'all real quick. I'm probably gonna feel like, ooh, somebody ended up breaking in the house. I know she don't even know I'm here for real. She's so crazy. But yeah, though, I'm finna set y'all up, finna get this little angle grinder. Oh, I just stepped in some shit on, bro. What the fuck? When the fuck did we even get animals around this bitch? What the fuck, bro? Boy, if it ain't in some big ass shit, I'm gonna show y'all. The fuck? Okay. Compared to that, I ain't gonna lie though. For some reason though, it make it sit low. So lately I've been liking this shit. And it got tread on it compared to my other top. Look at this shit. And then look at these ties. No count, these motherfuckers low. But yeah though, I'm finna go ahead, grab my little thing, set y'all up, get the grind, man. Y'all, I can tell. Maybe I ain't get through all of it. That's the motherfuckers. Y'all know them little yellow bugs that just, they don't even bite. They just sit there and float around your ass. Bro, what the fuck is these? Y'all see that bitch? But y'all see what's going on though. That's what it looked like. But no cap though, as y'all see though, that motherfucker getting his way done though. So I'm probably gonna add a couple more wheels. I don't know if this probably gonna be the end of the video, cause I know I'm finna go do some a little later on too to another car. So y'all tap in though, cause I might put a little short in, cause I gotta fix this ignition on this Honda. So now I'm just gonna wait for another video for that. So I'm finna go ahead and go back to the shop, add a couple more wheels to it, just, you know what I'm saying, just put a little more oomph on it. And now I'm put the wheel back on, show y'all, then that's probably gonna be the end of the video. No cap, so y'all like, comment, subscribe, let me know what y'all wanna see, no cap. Cause as y'all see, no cap, nigga hit 300 subscribers, bro. I would've never thought that shit. I'm at 300 subscribers, bro. That mean I really done got more than one subscriber a day. And I just started this year, man. Y'all tap in, y'all see what the fuck going on. Y'all know a nigga finna, what? Yes, sir. So, y'all keep subscribing, y'all keep tapping in, cause y'all already know when I make it to the top, we taking the game with us. No cap, y'all fuck with it. Hold on, y'all. I just had to show y'all real quick. This is what I did again. And as y'all see, no cap. Oh, that boy cold. I had to show y'all that, no cap. What I did was I turned that thing up to max and put it around, what's that number? About 6.5. And no cap, that motherfucker. At first I did it right here and it smelled like it was burning the rubber, so I went back a little farther that way. And no cap, I'm gonna put this back on the car.
A few moments later.
If it ain't one thing, it's another, bro. I swear to God, every time, bro, it's something else, bro. I'm finna show y'all what happened, bro. I'm sick, bro. I'm fucking sick. I'm sick, bro. What the fuck? You could just see that thing all over this rim. My baby, no, Monica, what happened? I'ma look and see if I can find another cover for that. Hopefully they ain't expensive. If they expensive, I'm just gonna say fuck it. And we just gonna roll with it like that. This shit I be telling y'all, bro. This shit right there, bro. That's why I started the YouTube channel. Shit like this happen 24/8, bro. Swear to God. Can't never had nothing good, but look how that motherfucker looking though. Ooh. Go ahead and need to put this back on so at least I'll be shining. Fuck it. See what it look like. I mean, you can't really tell, but still though, it's like the fact that I can tell. It look a little bit worse in person, but we still getting it good though.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word. I think